Guys, Buddy Corbin, NorthMetroREIA.com. I wanted to go over a little bit about our Mega Mortgages and Note Buying Summit with Wright Davis that we have coming up February 18th, 19th, and 20th, where we're partnering with Georgia REIA and IRCA on bringing a fantastic workshop for you guys for 3 days. And I wanted to go over a couple of the other points of what Wright's gonna teach. We've already gone over some of these: how to pay off a house in 5 years without you making without you making an extra house payment. That's incredible. These are the kind of education that you're going to learn on the time value of money and how the time value of money really works. Because there are some incredible principles there that you can apply to really make the most of what you have. How to buy notes with no money down. How to get free notes without foreclosures, short sales, or hard money loans. That's just a few of the things Wright's going to be going over on his 3-day summit that we're doing February 18th and 19th and 20th in Atlanta, Georgia. For more details, go to northmetroreia.com.